Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to copy your private key in Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Chrome and I have the extension for the Phantom Wallet in Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and click that there and you can see now that Phantom Wallet is opening up. And what we're looking for is up at the top left hand corner, you'll see this icon here and we're going to go ahead and select that. And then towards the bottom of this menu, you'll see the pencil icon, and that is to manage your accounts. You can go ahead and click on that there. And then you can see the accounts listed here. I only have one account, so this is the only one we're concerned about. We're going to go ahead and click that. And then from here, you can see where you can show the private key. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then from here, you can enter in your password, and you also want to make sure that you will not share your private key with anyone, including Phantom. So what you want to do is enter in your password there and then hit next, and that will take you to your private key, which you can copy to your clipboard. But again, make sure that you don't share your private key with anyone because that will give them full access to your wallet. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.